Tell me about this song. What's it about?
The song is about love.
Mm-hmm.
It is sung by a famous Eritrean singer.
Mm-hmm.
He's passed away now.
What's his name?
Yemane barya.
Yemane barya.
Mm-hmm. It's
Okay.
a love song. I can say it's everybody's favorite.
Oh,
in
really?
Eritrea, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's about the two lovers. They are away from each other, and he's telling her that he missed her so bad, and he wants her back.
Oh.
And to the extent that he can eat and he can sleep. He's counting days for her to come back to him. So.
Oh, bless. Do you think it's true? Do you think it happened to him?
Yeah, he does.
Oh.
Of course.
But did he have a wife?
Yeah.
It must have
That's
been for
true,
her.
Maybe.
Oh, how
I'm not sure.
romantic. That's so nice.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, do you write your own songs, Elham?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is good inspiration for it.
It is.
Okay, should we try and do it?
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. All right, Bola. Hey, hey, ooh,
أحلى